Okay, yesterday I went to Lowe's and I was looking for larger peat pots to pot up some of my tomatoes and things like that. And I found this kit that is for salsa, and it comes with, the expandable soil pellet things and some seeds and these cute little plastic containers. So I'm not going to use the pellets or the seeds, I'm just going to use the pots and the containers. I also bought this cute little pot that was on sale, and I'm going to put a couple of daisies in it because these guys are looking like they're almost ready to pot up. This is just a quick little shot of the vegetable garden before we have some pretty heavy storms coming in. And I think that the weather's going to be bad for a few more days, so Bradley's potatoes are looking pretty good. I think we're going to need to cover these up, cover up the bottom leaves and start mounding them up pretty soon. Not really sure what's going on with this row, but I guess they're just slower. And I don't remember if these are the red potatoes or the gold potatoes. Probably should have marked them. We have no carrot sprouts. Not sure why. But I think we're going to have to replant that row. And then the Walla Wallas are looking okay, I guess. But the red onions are doing great. And the chives are getting out of control, huge, like they always do. Here's another quick look at the bleeding heart and some of the dianthus coming up underneath. There's some thyme there. I'm not sure how much bigger it'll get this year, but next year it's going to need some serious staking. Here's how the flower bed's looking. We had about a week of rain, so of course everything is super happy. Strawberries are getting big. And look, I have my first California poppy bloom. They're going to take over the world in here, along with a bunch of other weeds that I need to deal with. My favorite dianthus is about to bloom any second now. Look at that. Wow, look at all those weeds I gotta deal with. If you have any suggestions for a really good ground cover, I think Brian and I'd be very happy to hear about it. And of course I've got a few irises that are blooming. And the tree's flowers are almost done. It's looking pretty good. All the petals are all over the ground there. And so there you have it. It's getting to be pretty warm out today. It's about 70, maybe 75. Probably the warmest day we've had this month and last month. So it's pretty toasty in here. I just opened it up to let some of the cooler air from outside in and some of this air out. Peppers and tomatoes are looking great. However, some plants are not looking so great. And they have plenty of water. They're just a little toasty. I put in a thermometer yesterday, but I'm not really sure how accurate it is because it's saying that it is 90 degrees in here and 86 outside, and I know it's not 86 outside, so I'm not sure what to think of that.